Alright, mphulaphula Vokala FM sabuya ke sibuye ngayo ingoma leyo nje ka Nomfundo Moh. Bayakhumbula kahle ke sokudlala ke pha ke uphakade lam. Yale ingoma ke ngqona into bake mphulaphula Vokala FM yanayo ke iqhubha kahle kakhulu kodwa ke konke ke oko siza kuva ke apha ke kuye ke usisi ngoba ke sele ke simbambile. Nomfundo siswami masikwamkele enqubeni sikunikeza lithuba loba ubulise kumphulaphuli weVukani FM. Kunjani?
Sawubona bhuti wami, ngibingelele nabalaleli, ngiyaphila, singezwa ngakini?
I know right kakhulu, especially ke sikunye nawe ngosuku lwanamhlanje. Khawusichazele Nomfundo Moh, uNomfundo Moh ngubani, ungowaphi?
Ngunomfundo Ngcobo oqhamuka endaweni yaseNdwedwe eKZN. I'm a 22-year-old lady focused kakhulu ongangokuba I just graduated recently and I want to pursue my dream or my career in music.
Zezinye zezinto ke ezeniqonda into bake ndinomdla wokuthetha ngazo because izawuncedisa ke nabanye abantu ke abatsha. Now tell me, how do you balance umculo ne-studies, because I'm not sure noba uyilindele into yoba iSouth Africa izakuthatha ngale ndlela ikuthathe ngayo because you've been gigging ngapha zi-studies. How do you balance the two?
It was not easy ngengize ngiqamba amanga, but kubiza ukuthi ube focused nokuthi uzazi ukuthi ufunani nokuthi into uma usukuyenza uyenzelani yini usuke uhope ukuyizuza ekugcineni. So mina, I've been studying social work with some hope ukuthi ekugcineni I'm going to obtain a degree yami and be able to give that to my community, be able to be there for a society and their well-being. Ngoba siphila esikhathini lapho sithwala khona umzimba omningi and sibona abantu sebegcina sebecommit ama-suicide. So I want to be there and give people hope ukuthi tomorrow can be better. Kanti uNkulunkulu had ama-plans are different ukuthi no, since ngumuntu okwazi ukucula, I believe I have a calling in music. So either way, I had to sing, I had to pass imiyalezo kubantu through music. So I'm still doing social work in the form of music because music is a universal language. So it was really hard because kwesinye isikhathi ngithola nginama-interviews amaningi kumele ngiwenze, but because of God's timing, I was studying during isikhathi se-online learning. So it was easy for me ukuthi no matter ngabe mhlampe kumele ngiye eGoli, I can bring my laptop and still do my work.
Wow. Now, music, uqale nini ukwenza music nje? Ingoma uphakade lam, that was your first big song, or kade nje wenza umculo, but it so happened that uphakade lam ibe ingoma recognized?
Yeah, ngoba kanjalo impela, because I've been singing, I've been writing. Ngaqala ukubhala 2016. That's when I started testing the talent lami ukuthi ngiyakwazi yini ukubhala or ngikwazi ukucula kuphela, because I used to do covers before 2016. Okay, friends approve ukuthi no, I need to write more ngiza kahle. So I started writing more until ngize ngibe confident to release an official song, my debut song, which was Ililizela. Okay, yalihamba ibanga layo Ililizela, and then kwafika umthwalo nayo yahamba ubamba ibanga layo. But iphakade lami is that one song that led to my blow up or ukuthi ngikhule kakhulu endimeni yomculo.
Wow. I don't know if uzovumelana nami yini. There's this element yama artist, more especially the upcoming artist, banokumove from their provinces going to amanyama province. For instance, normally they tend to go to Gauteng because of banento ukuthi if ngise Gauteng kulapho icareer yami khona, kulapho ngizovela khona. But when you manage to izinto zenzeke lapho ukhona eKZN, mhlambi omunye umuntu ngam-advise uthini, and wena kwenze kanjani ukuthi icareer yakho nje iqhakaze kwi-province okuyona?
Ngokwami ukubona sabantu asidaleli izinto ezifanayo. Yebo, ngiyavuma ukuthi umsebenzi lo wethu kulomkhakha sikuwona womculo uphusheka kangcono uma useGauteng, because that's where izinto eziningi zikhona or SABC bakhona. So if ufuna nje indlela esheshayo ukuthi music wakho uchume for ama-opportunities ngcono uye ngakhona. Kodwa ke abanye bethu ngenxa yezimo, ngoba mina nje kade ngisafunda, bekunzima ukuthi ngingamove eKZN because i-KZN ilapha. If kwenzeka ngisebenza nama-group, kumele ngibe present nami njengawo wonke umuntu. So bekuwise ukuthi ngibe ngakuleli side, and also isimo ebengiphila ngaphansi kwaso besingakangivumeli ukuthi ngingaba kwi-level yokuthi ngingamuva, because you also need to consider ukuthi ukumuva kwakho uzomanage yini ukukhokha zonke iy'mali ze-rent nani because yizo zonke lezi zinto egcine zisifakela ingcindezi singazakwazi manje ukukhokha ngoba sesibona ukuthi abantu bazothini uma sengibuyela back to square one.
All right, okay. Yeah, masibuyele back to music wakho now. Let's talk about Uphakadelam, because it's a very big song. And kuyona usebenze no Amifaku and also Ushasha. Those are big artists. Now, kwenzeke njani ukuthi nihlangane nisebenze? They called you or you called them ukuthi, hey guys, ngicela ukuthi ningisize sebenze kule project le?
No, I've always wished ukusebenza nabo ongangokuba nje kuma interviews ebengiwenza before Phakadelani, uma ngibuzwa nje ukuthi obani engifisa ukusebenza nabo bebehlezi bekhona kwi-list yabantu engifisa ukusebenza nabo. So I did iPhakadelami, kwaba ingoma engaphelele. I had the hook and ivesi lami kuphela, ngathi no nto bengiqedele. So i-team yami yabona ukuthi no, why not zama ukureacha laba abantu ahlezi ikhala ngabo kangaka ukuthi uyafisa ukusebenza nabo. Nangempela bazama ukwenza njalo, and the queens were willing to jump on the song. So that's how we got to get hold of them, sangena ingomeni eyodwa, and then Magic was created.
Wow. Phula Bukana FM sincokola Nomfundo Moh. Yeah, for sure ke nguye ke esereke simbambile ke ngalo ke erike ithuba. How does it feel getting a double platinum, Nomfundo Moh?
It really feels amazing, I won't lie. It's more like a dream come true, because I've been pushing, I've been working hard with some hope ukuthi vele one day izinto izochuma, izinto izokhanya. Kodwa uNkulunkulu had plans ukuthi no, ngizokhanyisa ke before you even expect me to, because the aim yami is for the world to be inspired, and kumina it's more like I've served my purpose, or I am serving my purpose, because people are inspired.
Wow. Let's talk about the album now. Isiya Tolagala, obvious kuma digital stores. The name of the album, Amagama, right?
The name of the album is Amagama.
Yes.
It's Amagama okubonga to everyone who has supported me. Abanye bangisupporte bengangazi, abanye bazwela iphakade, abanye bazwela ililizela, but they were like, no, let's give this girl a chance. Usibone ukuthi no, uzanani. So lelo thuba ngiyalibonga kakhulu. So my album is more of a gratitude album. Ngibonga nje wonke umuntu, abantu abengazi from the ground, abangazi ngendlela, kodwa everyone who's supporting me. The album is available on all digital stores. Yaphuma ngomhla ka 28 January 2022.
So are you living the soft life, or you're still on the journey for indaba ye soft life njalo? Are you living the soft life because engomeni yakho ukhuluma nge-soft life, or you still on the journey ye-soft life?
No, kancane ngiyangena ngeke ngisho ukuthi I'm there fully kathatha, because there's still some stuff engifisa ukuthi no, ngiyafisa ukufika laphaya, kodwa kubalekile ukuthi umuntu abe grateful, abonge lokho. Kukhulu kakhulu uNkulunkulu asengenzele kona, kukhulu kakhulu ama-sense asengenzele kona so far. So ngingasho ngithi soft life yona iqalile ingenile. I even saw that the past weekend abantu bengijabulela ngolunye uhlobo when I was graduating. Kuyinto engajwayelekile ukuthi for us black community ukuthi sijabulelane kangakana. Lokho kungikhombisile ukuthi slowly but surely we are there for each other, sibumbene sisizwe simnyama.
Wow. My favorite song, Ngamkhetha. Yeah, that is my favorite song kwi album leya. Now, Nomfundo, tell me, kuthiwa you're coming to the Eastern Cape. Yes, keep up on my word. Are you doing a tour? Kwenzakalani?
No, ngibiziwa abantu bami abangithandayo nami engibathandayo ngolunye uhlobo. I'm super happy ukuthi I'll be coming to Yolo Lounge on Friday the 20th of May. I cannot wait, because sekukaningi ngizwa impela abantu bekhala ukuthi kanti uzanini ngapha lokho ngithi ngiyeza. So it's a pleasure ukuthi manje ngi-announce ukuthi no ke angisalokho ngithi ngiyeza wongampela ke manje.
YOLO Lounge, Queenstown. Wow, can't wait for Nomfundo Moh. Now, kubantu nje abafuna ukuxhumana nawe, kubantu abafuna i-album and kubantu abafuna ukubhuka benza kanjani nje masesiqedelela?
To abantu abafisa ukuxhumana nami kuma-socials ngiyatholakala on my Facebook page, it's Nomfundo Moh _music. Ngitholakale ku-Instagram @IamNomfundoMoh. Ngitholakale futhi naku-Twitter it's Nomfundo _Moh. Naku-TikTok kulaba abathanda ukugxumagxuma and have a happy life, it's Nomfundo Moh. For bookings, ngicela abantu bazama ukuthinta le number ethi 081 208 8025. Ngicela ukuyiphinda ithi 081 208 8025. Ningimeme ngizofika qathatha nifike namaphakade enu siphile soft life kube mnandi.
Oh goodness. Nomfundo Moh, thank you very much hlobo sam. I believe in Queenstown bazabe bekulindele ke at YOLO Lounge. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much bonga mina iyobonana on Friday.
Yeah. All right, yeah, there you have it.